say that creativity takes courage, and it's true. So they're coming out here in the summer, they're learning new strategies.
I cannot wait to be the queen! Look at all this beautiful ocean.
They're putting their creativity first so that they can bring creativity to their classroom, and we really appreciate, everything that they're doing to keep the arts in mind.
NKCES advocates for arts education.
As this family goes on a royal vacation to Arendelle.
I've seen so many kids come alive with the arts. I've seen so many kids just make a huge difference and a huge change. I've seen so much empowerment.
I want them to be excited and inspired to do the work of bringing arts into their classrooms every day. But I also want them to have concrete tools to do so.
Today is all about learning how to integrate the arts with other subjects.
And I think dance is particularly great because it is social. We do it with other people. It is physical, of course, which is great, especially in a time of lots of screens.
I'm so excited! I'm going to teach all the children how to read. We're always trying to improve things for our students, and I think this is a unique professional development. You don't see a lot of arts training, a lot of professional development that is designed specifically for the arts.
Oh my gosh, NKCES is absolutely amazing at this.
Until one day, Ursula's father passed away unexpectedly.
You can have a rich discovery of who you are as a person and then go forth into the world confident in that person that you are and want to be.
At NKCES, we champion arts education.